Hey guys, so I'm back at my project with the sign, and I finally found a chicken photo that I actually like. It looks kind of like my girl's, and this was from a clip art, and pretty much what I had to do was just keep blowing it up. Check this out. So that's what it started out as, and then I had to like keep blowing it up to get the right size. Isn't that crazy? So I copied it. It was at 100 and some percent until I could get to, check that out, to the right size. So putting that on there, let me show you what this is going to kind of look like. So I wanted to get the picture proportionate enough with the space that I got. I know it looks really big, but I like it. It'll take up that whole span. So if you take the picture off, see how big that space is? It's bigger than my hand. So I wanted to get a picture that would complement this sign perfectly. And I finally found one. It took me a little bit. So now all I need to do is trace it, and then I can flip the sign over, and then we can punch it out. So that's what I got going on. But I really like this picture. I mean, it kind of looks like lavender, doesn't it? I know it's black and white, but yeah. So I'm pretty happy with that picture. And then I got my tracing paper right here. So I need a piece of this. I don't know why this is so wrinkly. It's kind of old. Maybe that's why. But take a piece off. Oh, it looks like it might have gotten wet, actually. So we can get a piece off. There we go. See, and then I would just be able to use tracing paper and copy that nicely on there. Yeah, I really want to get this project done. I've been kind of busy with some other stuff that we got going around the house. And yeah, I need to trace that on there. Alright, so all I need to do is trace this. And I'm thinking I want to punch some of this grass out too. I think that'll look nice. So we're just going to trace really lightly. See how that comes out. Because I really just want the outline of this photo. I don't really need a whole lot of detail, you know, for what I'm using it for. And let's go. And we'll add our own little finishing touches to some of this. That's what's nice about pictures and stuff. When you're tracing, you can kind of make it look a little better than what you found. Yeah, so we're just going to trace this out. Make this look, and we can some of these feathers will be pretty good. Because you got to think I'm going to punch this, so we want some detail. It just won't be like complete detailed, you know. I mean, you're going to know that it's a chicken, that's for sure. Yeah, we would definitely want to do eye. And make a little dot there. And nose. And then we want to do the wing a little bit. Maybe some of these. want to give her a little bit of detail, but she's not going to have tons and tons of detail, you know, because it's, I mean, you just can't, because I'm punching this out, so I want to get some in there, and some of this grass I want, some of this grass. I'm going to do. Try to make it look, you know, halfway decent. Alright, let's see how that looks. Don't really like that right there. So we need a little bit more detail on the mouth. I don't know if this picture's gonna look. I wonder what it looked like if I just took it off and just did the outline. Let's see. Yeah, I might have to play with that a little bit. Wow, that looks terrible. Well, let's see. Something's wrong with the shadow here. Might have to do the beak after all to make it look right. I don't know. Looks kind of funky. And nose hole. Maybe that's what's... I don't know. This mouth just doesn't look quite right, does it, guys? Maybe it's the beak. I don't know. Not big enough? I don't know. Let's see if we overlay it and go like that. What does that look like? Ooh, looks kind of... Yeah, I know a chicken's beak doesn't quite look like that. I thought this was going to be a good picture. I just need to tweak it a little bit here. Not so pointy. The eyes aren't so pointy. Let's come in here. What does that look like? I'm happy with the back part. It's just this mouth right here, because I gotta punch it. So something. This doesn't look quite right for some reason. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know if this picture's gonna work so hot or not. I don't know, maybe I'm trying to get it too pointy or something. Yeah. Looks kind of crazy. It's like a crazy chicken. Look at the eye. Yeah, I don't like that. I want it to be kind of generic, but not too crazy generic, you know. Something wrong with this beak. I don't know. It's coming down too far. Oh no, the boy. I don't know, I just can't quite get that the way I want it. It's supposed to be tracing this. I know it goes up a little bit. Maybe it's too far up. That's not so bad. I don't know. My nose is kind of high. Who's a turd burglar?
Your daughter, Leela.
Yeah. Looks kind of strange. Yeah, I'm not liking that. Well, I'm going to have to tweak that a little bit. But there's my picture. And I really like it. I just need to, I need a little more detail here in order to make it work. Because I can't punch the dark, the dark spots. So I need a little more detail to make it look good. But there's my picture, guys. Thanks for watching.